In this exercise, we will learn more about viewport and various display options in Rhino3D. This is a ready file of a camera. We will explore various elements and full capability of display options in Rhino and how can we utilize it to its maximum. First, let me tell you I am using Rhino version 8 now. For those who are following the course from the beginning, no need to worry. There is almost no change in options and commands in Rhino 8 from Rhino 7. Now, let's come back to the exercise. It's not necessary to have this camera file only. To do this exercise, you can open any other model or the previous exercise which we did. You can open that as well. In this model of camera, we are only able to see the 3 sides of the camera, which is top, front, and right. But we need to see all 6 sides of the camera. Let's see how we can customize our viewport layout to see all the sides. Now, I have top view, but I also want to see the bottom view. So to bring that, I will make top view active first by clicking inside it. Then I will go to view menu and look for viewport layout. From the list, I select split horizontal. This will divide the whole top viewport into 2 parts, but in both the viewports it is showing top view. So in the second viewport, I will open the display options list. From there, change it to bottom view. Now we have both top and bottom view of the camera. Next, let's bring the left side view of the camera. For that, I will make front view active first. And again, I will go to view. And from the list of viewport layout, this time I will select split vertical. This will divide the front viewport into 2 parts. From that, I will convert one of the viewports to left side view. Select the list of display options, go to set view and change it to left. Now let's zoom extend all by using the pop-up. Right click on the zoom extend command to zoom extend all viewports. Or if you don't have that in your pop-up, go to standard tab to find the zoom extend command. Now same thing I will do in right side viewport. Now I have both left and right side view, and also I have front view, only back view is remaining. So I will convert on the viewport from right to back, same as before. And zoom, extend all viewports to see the model properly. You can also resize the viewport to adjust the shape and size. For example, I need more space for front and back view horizontally than the left and right side view. So when you bring your mouse near the intersection of 2 viewports, it will change to resize icon cursor as shown. And now you can resize the viewport by just clicking and dragging it. I will adjust both left side view and right side view. And zoom extend all viewports in the end. There is another interesting feature of synchronizing viewport, where we can match the zoom level or size of the 3D object in all the viewport at the same time. Let me show you a demo. Let's say if I zoom out the camera in backside view. And now I want to match the same zoom level in all the remaining viewport so that I can read the model in all viewports at the same level. So I will go to the display options of backside view only because I want to synchronize all other viewports based on this viewport only. Go to set camera option list and select synchronize viewports. And you will see all other viewports are zoomed out at the same level. Let me try it again. This time I will use bottom view as reference. I will zoom into the camera button. And now, as my previous command was synchronize all viewports, I will just have to click the right mouse button to use it again and again until I use another command. This makes the process faster as shown on your screen. Next, I will show you a small demo on how zoom window and zoom select tool works in Rhino. You will find these tools in standard tab toolbar as shown. Let's see how zoom window works. Click to activate. Now it will ask to drag a window to zoom. So let's zoom to the red light of the camera by dragging the window. It doesn't matter if you drag from left to right or right to left, it will do the same thing. Same way, I will try in other viewports to get a close-up view of various components of camera as shown. Now let's test how zoom select works in Rhino 3D. Left click to activate, but it won't activate like this. First, you have to select the objects which you want to zoom, then only it will activate. So I will select camera button from the bottom viewport and left click the zoom select command. It will zoom only button and in the active viewport only. But if you go back to zoom select command and right mouse click this time, it will automatically zoom the selected object in all viewports instantly. So it's a handy tool during the modeling workflow in Rhino. This is it for this exercise. Keep practicing and I will meet you with another exercise.